Check these out. Wow. Hey everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we'll be unboxing the Jordan 34s. Something very new I've just received recently in the post. As you can see in the video here, it's a very genuine pair. Got this directly from Foot Locker. Yeah. Just a close-up shot. The box itself. So pretty much this is how it comes. Let's crack this open. Very nice crinkly paper. And yeah, that's the shoe itself. Pop this box to the side. And yeah, take out all these. Check these out. Wow. Alright, let's check these beautiful pairs. Look at that. Very nice. White and black and red, just 3 colors. There's a side shot from it. Let's move this one pair aside. There's the back there. There's the inner side. And then the sole. That's a very, very beautiful pair. The design is amazingly done. So I believe this is the new sole design, making the shoe more lighter, the football shoe more lighter. Well, the shoe is more lighter, of course. You got more support, and you know you don't get too tired on your feet. You can run more, jump more. So what we have here on the side panel over here is like a very breathable mesh, and on the side here too, on the other side, also very breathable. So your feet is always being kept cool, and it's not like the other Jordans where it's well padded and a lot of padding inside. Depending on the player, your foot may sweat a lot if there's so much padding in there, but this is very lightweight. And like I said, you know, there's meshing all on the side here, all the way to the toes. This side here is also mesh, so in that way your feet is breathing a lot, and the sole is well cushioned. Yeah, I think very, very beautiful pair. I think it's well made. It's stunning. So you got the laces here. Check, let's get some closer shots on that. So on the side here, there's no holes, just to let you know. It's just there for aesthetic to make it look like there's holes. There's no holes. So I mean, you can pretty much jump in a puddle of water, not too high, of course. You don't need to get on the top here, but I think just about there you pretty much are fine. Yeah, that it's very hard and very, very supportive. I did try this pair on. This is I believe a size 10.5, and it fitted very, very well, very comfortable. I did try some other Jordans also in a 10.5, and they were a bit tight if you got a flat foot. I got a flat foot, so my foot's pretty wide, but the 10.5 on this particular Jordan 34 fitted very well. I needed to get a size US size 11 to fit me comfortably. Yeah, so pretty much I mean, with this pair, you can bloody rock with this on the court, off the court. Even you can style this with a suit and still be pimping. I mean, these are beautiful looking shoes. Amazing. So that's another shot of the heel there. Sorry, not the heel, the bottom of the shoes. So you got the mesh here. We got a bit of like I think it's what do you call this? Probably like a suede material on the top with holes also, more breathability. What else do you have? The tongue itself is not very padded. I think it's soft. It's a bit thin. You got these cushions on the side over here, and if you can see clearly here. So these cushions are your pull tabs. It's, you know, when you're putting your shoe on, it's more comfortable pulling it upwards. So you got more snug fitting. The heel at the back here is very, very well padded, and the support is strong over here. So it's not like some of them where it's very loose and soft, where after a while it sort of slops back in. And I think this is a well designed shoe. This is the first of its kind. Jordan is trying out new technology on the shoes, and I think this is a go, man. You know, I mean, there are some other brands out there who also adapt onto the same sort of features with the hole in the center, giving it sort of, I mean, you don't need much padding over here. All you need is a very stiff shank here to keep your support flat when you land, and just more padding on the front and more padding on the heels. And yeah, I think this is a very, very interesting shoe. Well, that's for me, guys. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch my videos. I'll be popping more shoe videos pretty much soon. I've got probably another 5 pairs but to go. I've got some Adidas pairs, I got some Air Maxes, James Harden shoes. So we'll check those out in the next episodes. But in the meantime, thank you very much again. Please do like and subscribe to my videos. Take care, everybody. Goodbye.